Hello, what is up, YouTube? I am trying to figure out how to fix my Xbox right now, cause like, if you know how to fix my Xbox right here, I will show you in a minute. If you know how to fix it, please make another video for me, so I can play with you guys. And well, my name is stupid, so I won't tell you right now, but I'll tell you later when my Xbox starts working. So I'll go ahead and show you now why. Hold on. So does anybody know how to fix that? Make a video, do something, and when you make the video, get me to it, and when you guys know how to fix it, I will make another video, and that can show me how to work the thing and stuff.